Update: a previous of this story incorrectly stated the Ford GT was the first example of it. It is actually just the first one donated for a charity auction. The text has been updated with the correct information. You probably won't need to worry about depreciation with these ones. Barrett-Jackson will be auctioning the very first new Corvette ZR1, and it will be the first time a new Ford GT has gone to auction for charity. The gavel will fall January 20th with proceeds for both going to charity. The Ford GT is especially worth a look, since not only is it the first to be available at auction for charity, it will be easier to get via auction than hoping to get an application approved from Ford. It's a great color, too, as liquid blue, sans stripes, was the hue it wore for the reveal and in promotional material. It was also exclusive to it and several show car versions of other Fords. Odds are this GT will go for more than a new one from Ford, though, since all of the proceeds will go to charity. Specifically, the Autism Society of North Carolina. Obviously, whoever buys it should be able to use the car as a tax write-off. The same high-cost, double-edged sword will apply to the ZR1 as well, though in this case the proceeds will go the Steven Siller Tunnel to Towers Foundation that supports seriously injured emergency first responders. Unlike the GT, though, the buyer of the ZR1 will have the opportunity to spec out the first example however he or she likes, since the car isn't out quite yet. It will be available as either a coupe or convertible, and with the 7-speed manual or 8-speed automatic. Chevy will also include an option package that adds carbon fiber interior trim, leather-wrapped instrument cowl and the performance data recorder.